gents, welcome back to The Bearded Journey. I am your host, Scott Barnes, and in today's video, first of all, if you have been with me since August of this year, we have been growing out our beard and our mustache so we can be in full swing for the month of November. And if you have been growing out your mustache for the month of November and have stayed with it until the end, I and we in the bearded and mustache community applaud you. So that being said, there are some of you out there that have to trim it up for work, just them letting you grow it out for that month of November. I myself am at that point where I need to trim up my mustache because it is getting in my food and in my drinks while I'm consuming. And also, I wanted to do a little bit of a tutorial when it comes to the 3 months of beard growth. And on top of that, we are going to be hitting, or right now when this is going to be posted, we'll be hitting that 20,000 subscribers. It just means the world to me that we're still growing. Thank you guys out there for hitting that subscribe button. And this is just an honor, a privilege that you guys have, out of your kindness and your heart, have been hitting that subscribe button, coming along in this journey of growing out your beard or your mustache and trying to find the nuances of a good look of hair and beard growth. Now the main thing is, yes, we're gonna be trimming up our mustache, but for you guys that are in that 3 to 4 month beard growth, a common thing that happens to me and a lot of guys out there is the neck beard actually growing faster than our chin or our cheeks. So what happens is we get this little lump right here, we get a divot, or in my case right here, I get this little wave because this is actually growing longer. Here, and I'll show you. So this is the length, and as you can see, this is longer. So what we need to do to alleviate is we're just gonna take about a ½ inch off the bottom here, and we're just gonna round it out and just kind of straighten it as much as possible. That way we have an even and cohesive look. All right, so I got my clippers, I got my products. Let's get this time lapse started. Let's go. And that's pretty much it for the trim. I wanted to clean up my mustache so that I can start eating and drinking food again without getting the odors, smells, and liquid in the stash. On top of that, just to go over the beard trim, what we're doing is we're cleaning up this neck part of your beard, because sometimes, like me, my bottom of my neck here grows a little faster than my chin. So I initially tried to make this as flat as possible. That way it meets the chin, and then I just round it out just a little bit right there. That way everything's blending together. Now all I gotta do is add just a little bit of mustache wax. And I say, let's flex it out just a little bit. So everything looked and turned out great. Very even on the beard. The mustache, of course, is always on point. And just once again, really big thanks to all you guys out there supporting me, going through the description, checking out those products that support me too. And that's what this whole community is about, is to help you so you guys can help me, so everybody is helped out. That's how it's supposed to be in this life. So make sure to stick around for next week's video. Gonna be doing more of a motivational speech. Just kind of switch things up once again. So like always, you guys like, subscribe, check me out on all that social media. Love you guys like always. I'll see you on the flip side. See ya.